Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Dazzling Blue. Must cop, must cop, must cop. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you can also follow us on IG at Clones TV. Man, this shoe is fire, man. God damn, this is a beautiful shoe. And you know, man, the thing I hate about Yeezys, they hard to get, and I be praying that I hit, man, when these shoes release, because it's like hit and miss. It's like a needle in a haystack, man. Your boy be praying like, man, I hope I hit on them, man. But the shoe is hot. Release date 2/26/22. Your boy went on GOAT and looked at the resale price for my size 12, and it's going for $412 already. And this shoe comes out in a week. Stock X, my size 12, $409. So it's a lot of people want this shoe, man. It's a dope shoe. It's just something about the Yeezy 350s, man. Your boy just got the 450s, and I really wanted that shoe. I got them a week ago. I paid $331. I got them on, I think it was StockX. Got them on StockX, and let me tell you, it wasn't worth it. If I would have got it retail, I'd say yeah, but what I paid for the 450s, it fit real tight on feet around the side. It's not comfortable, and it don't look good as the 350s. But the Dazzling Blue, your boy gonna try to get it. Trey, what say you? What you think about the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Dazzling Blue? All right, it's a must cap for me. I mean, I'm more excited about this shoe more than the Breads, 350 Breads, man. And the 350 Breads is a hot shoe, but I could see myself, man, rocking this with some black jeans and a nice black and blue shirt. Man, I could see my wife with these, the kids, family shoe. It's a dope shoe. And again, like my boy said, when it comes to Yeezys, Yeezy's hard to get, so we're gonna try our best to get these, man, retail. So must cop. Yeah. Well, what say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Are y'all gonna get them? Or y'all gonna pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. Alright, we out. Peace. Peace, baby.